Hi, here are some short questions along with their answers to help you practice English. Let's enjoy the video.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What do you do?
I'm a lawyer.
Have you been to Paris?
Yes, I have been to Paris.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite food?
I really enjoy pizza.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
How do you usually get to school?
I usually take the bus to school.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling and experiencing new cultures.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 3 cats.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I love the warm weather.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Leaving Time.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to spend time with family.
What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Australia because of its natural beauty.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find cooking to be a fun and creative activity.
What's your favorite type of music?
I really like rock music.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas because of the festive atmosphere.
Do you have any upcoming plans or events you're looking forward to?
Yes, I'm looking forward to a friend's birthday party next weekend.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
I like to relax by taking a hot bath.
What's a skill or talent you'd like to learn in the future?
I'd like to learn painting in the future.
What's something you've always wanted to do but haven't had the chance to yet?
I've always wanted to travel to Japan, but haven't had the opportunity.
What's a language you'd like to learn?
I'd like to learn Spanish in the future.
How do you like to stay active and healthy?
I stay active by going for runs and eating a balanced diet.
I hope you understand and practice the question-answer session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video.